You see the lifestyle and the claims of easy money. Today, we cut through the noise. Welcome to the truth about trading. Let's get started. Many people come into this thinking it is a game of chance. They treat it like a trip to the casino. But real trading is about probability and strict risk management. It is a business, not a lottery. Because the hardest part isn't reading the charts. It's controlling your own fear and greed. Consistency requires a disciplined mind. Master your psychology. Let's master the trend pullback strategy. Step 1 is identifying the trend structure. We need clear higher highs and higher lows. Always confirm this on a higher time frame. Step 2 is finding the value area. We look for previous resistance turning into support, or a key moving average like the 50 EMA. Wait for price to pull back into this zone. Patience here is key to your success. Step 3 is waiting for confirmation. Do not just buy blindly because price touched your zone. Wait for a reversal signal like a bullish engulfing candle. This shows her. Be a reactive trader, not a predictive one. Step 4 is defining your risk. Place your stop loss just below the structure and target the previous high for a healthy reward. Never take a trade without a clear plan. Triggers our entry and begins to move. It hits our target perfectly. This is how you trade with a plan. Follow for more strategies.